Good afternoon, one and all. This is Prince Kumar. I am teaching you English using my website, my YouTube channel, and by my app. And the link of my website and to download my app is given in the description box. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. So let us start our video. Today I will tell you 10 new words which is important for our lives, which is used in our life. So let us start. So the first is, I will tell you in Hindi and English too, and I will explain it too. So first word is Sudharana. Sudharana. So its English meaning is to improve, It is not visible, so I will take the text one. To improve to improve. Okay, so what does it mean? And its one more meaning is, that is, make better. Sorry. Again its mistake comes. So make better. So by example I will explain you. So improve or make better. Like if any student is very notorious character in his classroom, in his school, in Hindi it means that कोई विद्यार्थी जो बहुत बदमाश है and the teachers one day give him very hard punishment, very hard. In Hindi meaning it is, एक दिन शिक्षकों ने उसको बहुत बड़ी सजा दी. So what does the student told? Said that give me one chance to make better, to improve myself. Do you understand what does it mean? मुझे एक मौका दीजिए सुधरने का. Its meaning. Okay, now first word is completed. Now I'm taking the example by the name. See, if a Raja have taken some cakes without permission, he does all this time not asking to his mother. In Hindi meaning of this sentence is that राजा ने केक खरीदा, वो भी बिना इजाज़त के. ये हमेशा यही करता है, अपनी माँ से भी नहीं पूछता. सो इट वाज, तो ये उस वाक्य का हिंदी मीनिंग है. तब आप अपने पॉइंट में आ जाए. जब उसकी माँ डांटती है तो वो बोलता है कि मुझे एक मौका दीजिए सुधरने का, मैं कभी ऐसा नहीं करूँगा. So what does it mean? In English he told that give me one chance mother, to improve myself. So what is this? To improve myself. Sudharana. Sudharana. That is the first word we completed. Now our second word is ijazat. Sorry, intizar. But let me tell you intizar also, its meaning. So intizar meaning is to is in the jar. Intizar. English meaning is to wait. To wait. To wait. Like any boy. Take an example like Raza only. He's going to his factory to work. He want to catch a bus. इसका हिंदी मीनिंग होगा कि राजा अपना फैक्ट्री जाना चाहता है. अब वो चाहता है कि मैं बस से जाऊं. So he waited till 9 o'clock because the bus was coming and standing on the bus stand at 9 o'clock. In Hindi meaning is that राजा बस स्टैंड पर रुका रहा, इंतज़ार करता रहा बस का, क्योंकि बस 9 बजे आती है. तो वो राजा रुका रहा और 9 बजे वो चल गया, बस में बैठकर अपने फैक्ट्री चल गया. So English meaning is that Raja waited till 9 o'clock for the bus to go to his factory. So this is the main point. This is the logic. This is the funda to this word intizar. Now our third word is खूबसूरत. I must. You know this word, the meaning of this word. खूबसूरत meaning you know. खूबसूरत meaning is that first I will write the word खूबसूरत. I am giving this one because some words are left out here. So whenever I give this one point, this line, you mean that these words are joined to this word. Do you understand? So whenever I give this, you understand that this is a word which is joined to this word only. So its English meaning is beautiful. ब्यूटी फुल. I don't want to have explain this word because already you know about it. So let it be. You know already. हिंदी मीनिंग इज़ डैट. आपको ये इस वर्ड का पहले से ही मालूम है. खूबसूरत का मतलब ही मालूम है, तो मैं इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन क्यों दूँ. तो मैं दूसरे वर्ड पे जाता हूँ. अब हमारा चौथा जो शब्द है वो कुछ इस तरह है. सॉरी, इट वॉज वेरी लॉन्ग. सो दिक्कत हमारा चौथा शब्द है. दिक्कत. और इसका इंग्लिश मीनिंग है डिफ़िकल्टी, प्रॉब्लम. आप लोग इसका चिंता मत करिएगा. जो मैं अभी पढ़ा रहा हूँ, जो शब्द मैं आपको अभी पढ़ा रहा हूँ, आपको ये शब्द मेरे वेबसाइट पर मिल जाएंगे, तो आप आसानी से वहाँ देख सकते हैं और यहाँ समझ सकते हैं. तो आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है होने नहीं दूँगा. अब हमारा इसका सिनोनिम्स है प्रॉब्लम. मतलब ये दोनों सेम है. डिफ़िकल्टी और प्रॉब्लम सेम ही है, जो दिक्कत से मिला हुआ है, जो दिक्कत का मीनिंग है. सो प्रॉब्लम. सो दिक्कत, it means difficulty, problem in English language. So like Raja, I will take Raja name only. He will be knowing to me as a Bhaiya. So Raja Bhaiya. But here I will use the Raja because it is for all. So here that the Raja is facing to work in the factory. हिंदी मीनिंग इज दैट, अर्थात कि राजा भैया को फैक्ट्री में काम करने में दिक्कत होती है. तो मैंने वहाँ पे कहा डिफ़िकल्टीज़, दैट राजा हैव डिफ़िकल्टी टू वर्क इन द फैक्ट्री or the problem. So what is dikkat referred to? Difficulty, problem in the English language. So I think the doubts are clear now. So thank you in this word. Now we will proceed to next word. So our fifth word is हमारा पांचवा जो शब्द है वो निशान है. इसका अंग्रेजी में मतलब है मार्क, स्टीन, ट्रेस, इंडेंटेशन. आप लोग बिल्कुल भी चिंता मत करिएगा कि आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है वो शब्द जो मैं अभी लिख रहा हूँ. वो बिल्कुल भी आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. जो मैं अभी थोड़ा मोड़ा आएगा आपको. लेकिन मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आपको अच्छे से दिखे। सो हमारा 5वां शब्द है, आवर 5th वर्ड इज निशान। 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 So its English meaning is mark, stain, stain, trace, and my dear, I have to erase something. My dear, I have to erase something because the words are full now. One more word is indentation, so I have to erase. So our word is indentation. In then indentation. Indentation. Like Raja. Like a Raja Bhaiya has taken a coal and he has written his name on the wall of factory. मीनिंग अर्थात राजा भैया ने एक कोयला लिया और अपने फैक्ट्री के दीवार पर अपना नाम लिख दिया. सो व्हाट मीन्स व्हाट? And other person told, is see that Raja is marking something, has mark on the factory wall. अर्थात देखो, राजा ने फैक्ट्री के दीवार पर कुछ निशानियाँ कर दी हैं. So what is this nishaniya? Nishan, that only name that which is written by the Raja Bhaiya. So this is the meaning of this word. So for today, this much only. Now I will give you 5 words anytime because the time is up. So I cannot give now. So we say be alert. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Thank you.